Hello my super babies, welcome back to my channel. As the title says, yes, it's a giveaway because I am really thankful to all my super babies who actually really motivates me, appreciates me and loves me to the core. Oh my god, I love you all. Yeah, seriously, the ones who keep on buzzing me on Snapchat, everything. I really love you guys. Like, some people like shower me lot of love, especially Danny Khan from Saudi. I don't know, some messages make me fly big time. Danny Khan, your messages really makes me fly high. I think Raji, many of your messages makes me fly super duper high. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway. There are going to be two giveaways, there are going to be two winners. All the rules to be followed like any other giveaway is going to be almost the same. I can't keep this rule compulsory as to subscribe to my channel, like this video, because if you do any one of them, I won't come to know. So if you really love me, you will subscribe to my channel, and if you really love me, you will hit on that bell next to where you've hit on subscription. If it darkens, you will be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you love me like lots, obviously you will hit a like on this video. So yes, these two are like not compulsory. This, if you wish to do from your heart, then you will do it. So yeah, the main rules are going to be, you have to share my videos. That is something, because see, the main aim for any giveaway, let me just be super frank, is to, for a channel to grow basically. And I've just crossed 31,000. Thank you so much. So make it 40,000 soon. I know it's way too high hopes, but there's no harm if I'm going to be having a little high hopes. Why not? Because I have seen so many new lovers in my life. I'm really happy. So yes, make this channel reach 40,000 as soon as possible. So make it 35,000 first and then 40,000. Yes, make it just grow. I want this channel to grow. I want more people to know about me. So yes, you can help me with that, right? Yes, you can. So you can tag me anywhere on Instagram, on Facebook, anywhere, wherever you're sharing. Please tag me on Twitter also, and on Facebook. If you're not my friend or wherever, you have to put this hashtag. The hashtag will be in the description box. You have to put that hashtag without fail. That's how I will come to know that you have shared my videos, you have shared whatever you like. You can just share it. People should know about my channel. That's my main aim. I hope you like this giveaway. Thanks a lot every time, and thanks a lot for, and keep your support and love always. And after you get done with sharing my videos, you can share the videos number of times you want. Each time you get done with the sharing, please comment below and say done. So anytime you share, just comment below and say done. That's all. So let me just know. I will note down how many ever times you're going to be sharing it. Those people get more bonus points. So yeah, and I will be just choosing a random winner. So yeah, I hope you got it clear. But don't, it didn't go from here. So let me just repeat the rules again. You have to share any of my videos how many ever times you want with the hashtag, which will be in the description box. And after getting done with all this, comment below and let me know done. And anything else also you can tell, you can like say anything. Okay, these two giveaways are like my favorite brands, and I really love these brands. And yeah, make me even reach 50,000, because my next high-end giveaway will be at 50,000. Oh my god, 50,000. So I hope you like it, and yes, go ahead and see what is there for giveaway. So first giveaway winner gets, yeah, you can see me in color eyeshadows. Just look at these gorgeous shades. They are like really beautiful. I have a couple of lipsticks. This is from Chambord. This is a beautiful lipstick, transfer proof liquid lipstick in the shade 433. It's really pretty. This is a mascara from Kiss Beauty. This is a long lasting lipstick again from Kiss Beauty, and this is really trending right now, this Kiss Beauty, because the products are supposed to be really good. And then another amazing long lasting matte lipstick from Kiss Beauty. And then my favorite from In Color Matte Me in the shade 411, and this is from the brand Style Secret in the number 6. These are a lot of lipsticks for my babies. So the first giveaway winner will get this. Next, the next giveaway winner gets Just Gold 6 color blusher kit. Look at these gorgeous shades. I mean, like, wow. The second winner even gets all these amazing lipsticks. This is from Just Gold Soft Lust Matte Lipstick. Like, these are all unique brands which everyone doesn't get, and so I wanted to share it with my babies. This is from Kiss Beauty. This is again from Kiss Beauty, again from Kiss Beauty, and this is from Style Secret. Yes, so the second winner gets all these amazing goodies. So I hope you like this giveaway. This is a mini giveaway, but yes, I am sure I'm going to do a high-end giveaway when I reach 50,000 babies. So I hope you support me to reach 50,000. Like, very soon I should reach, and I can do a high-end giveaway. Yes, this giveaway isn't international. It is just for people living in India, and the winners will be chosen randomly by me. Yes, by me. On 1st of Jan, I will be announcing the winners. Yes. Yeah, that's all. Bye bye.